We all know the various laws and regulations that revolve around data protection and privacy. This is why it has become more crucial than ever to restrict access to certain data when working in distributed testing environments. With Tricentis Test Data Service, it is possible to make certain repositories private and group users to prevent access to data-sensitive repositories. In this video, we will showcase the access control feature in TDS. Here, you can easily authorize groups of users to view, access, and edit repositories. Please note, only authorized admins and members of the Test Data Service Administrator group can configure who gets access rights to repositories. This must be configured before using access control. So let's jump into it. Once you've logged in with your admin account, navigate to the web page of Test Data Management. Then select Access Control. The left-hand side of the page displays all available repositories. Repositories with enabled authorization are designated by a key icon. If you want to disable authorization for a repository, deselect the Enable Authorization checkbox. A window will pop up warning you that the repository data will become accessible to all users, including those who don't belong to any groups assigned to it. Click on Disable. As you can see, all the possibilities to enable access rights of certain user groups disappear. To enable authorization, simply select the checkbox again. Let's now go over the different access rights for your user groups. First, select the repository that you want to modify. A list of all assigned groups is displayed on the right side of the pane. Please note, only admins can create these groups and assign users to certain groups. You will notice three types of access: read access, write access, and edit configuration. Read access enables a user to read repository content such as TDS types or test records, but not make any changes to it. For instance, if a user with read access rights were to run a test case in Tosca, to modify the TDS records, they would receive an error message. There is also write access, which enables the user to read and modify repository content. This means reading, adding, deleting and editing TDS types, records or items. With this access right, a user can use TDS standard modules in Tosca to manipulate the data as needed. And finally, edit configuration, which enables the user to change the repository configuration. This involves the right to change the name and description of the repository, enable or disable authorization, or delete the entire repository. As you can see, this type of access has similar privileges to an authorized admin and should therefore be enabled carefully for certain user groups. Please note, you must select at least one access right for a group to have an assignment. For instance, if you deselect all access, a window will appear asking you if you'd like to remove the authorization rights for that group. Click on Remove. To assign new groups, click on the Assign New Groups button. Here you can search for user groups which are created in user administration. Select the user groups you want to assign and click Save. As a Test Data Service Administrator, you naturally have all the rights of the assigned groups and subgroups. You can also remove an assigned group from the list by hovering over the row of the assigned group that you want to remove. The Remove Group button appears. Click Remove Group. As before, you will be warned that all access rights related to that group will be removed. Click on Remove to remove the assigned group. Alright, and there you have it. You now know how to use the access control feature in TDS to authorize groups of users to view, access, and edit repositories. Thank you for watching.